Do you want my style of salted egg prawns? It's gonna be delicious. Andito na naman tayo. Magluluto tayo. Ito, restaurant quality to. Shrimp with salted egg sauce. Yan. Restaurant quality to. Sarap nito kasama ng kanin. Sarap nito kung gagamitin yung pampulutan. Okay to. Ang kailangan natin ay hipon o maliliit na sugpo, ganyan. Itong hipon, sample lang, no, para makita nyo kung paano kung ipo-process to. Kukunin natin just the body, we will take out the skin, and we will leave the head and the tail. Okay? Anuhin natin yung sentro. We take out the digestive system of our prawn. Okay? And ready na tayo. Ready na tayo. Okay, ang first na gagawin natin, we will get some grated ginger. Okay, para mabango, para maganda ang aroma. Okay, grated ginger. And we have white pepper. Okay, and let's put some rice wine. Okay? Rice wine. Yan ang pamamarinate natin. Ginger, white pepper, rice wine. Okay, marinate lang for a while. Okay yan. Pampabango. Now, let's make the sauce. Ito, bilis lang nito. Makikita nyo. Kuha tayo ng healthy chef natin na oil. Gisa natin the onion. Okay, lagyan natin ng butter para rich kasi gagawa tayo ng egg yolk sauce. 2 salted egg yolks. We'll put it here. We'll melt that and turn that into a sauce, calamansi juice, and some milk. Okay, may butter na tayo. Nalagay na natin. We put some white pepper. And we put some lemon juice or calamansi juice to take out the funk. Okay, there's the salt. Okay. And we will find this in a blender. Be-blend natin ng konti to para pinong-pino. Okay. There you go. We place that in our blender. Wow, that smells delicious. So, here is our marinated prawn. Maganda to kung mga 2 hours yung mamamarinate in ginger, white pepper, and what do you call this? Rice wine. And we will put our salt. Lalagyan na natin ng timpla to. Ngayon. And then, we will fry. Okay? Kuha tayo ng, dagdagan natin itong healthy chef ko na soya oil. Medyo deep fry tayo. And what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna dredge this so that the shrimps get coated and we can stick our egg and recoat again. And then we will put in some egg white. Here you can go. There. And we can dredge it back to make it more complete and to have more crispiness on our prawn. There you go. So we have our prawns and we are going to deep fry this. Slit ko na kaya yung ilalim. Parang I changed my mind. Gusto ko diretso yung ating prawn. Okay, so it's time that we fry our prawns. And then later, we will toss this sa ating salted egg sauce. Okay, and you can see how beautifully it's. Let's get our salted egg. Mamaya, chopping ko to. Here, there you go. Nice. Crispy on the outside. Moist on the inside. Our blended salted egg. These are egg yolks. Okay, you need some richness in there. Egg yolks, butter, a little milk. And we toss that together to flavor our prawns. We just toss that together. You can mix it by hand or you can toss it. Oh, yan, no? Oh, there. And eto na po. Lalagay natin ang ating prawns dito. Okay, that is our salted egg prawn. Okay, so eto, chinap ko. Medyo a little fine, a little rough also. And we top our salted egg over our prawn to heighten the flavor. Pero ito is whole salted egg kasama yung puti para may salinity na kasama, may saltiness tayong kasama. Then we put our chopped chives and we garnish with our one soy leaf. Beautiful! Restaurant quality yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Abangan nyo mga susunod na episodes natin. We're gonna close the year beautifully and we're going to start the next year. Well, we'll see you. Thank you very much for watching.